What are property tax exemptions and how do they work? In today's financial climate, homeowners and property owners are increasingly seeking ways to reduce their expenses. One topic gaining traction is property tax exemptions. Many are asking, what exactly are these exemptions and how can they benefit you? Let's break it down to help you understand this important issue. Property tax exemptions are reductions in the taxable value of a property. This means that the amount of property tax a homeowner or organization must pay is lowered. These exemptions are typically available for specific types of properties or owners who meet certain requirements set by local or state governments. To qualify for a property tax exemption, property owners must meet defined criteria. For example, in Florida, to qualify for a homestead exemption, the owner must be a Florida resident and use the property as their permanent primary residence as of January 1st of the tax year. Vacation homes or rental properties do not qualify for this exemption. The most common type of exemption is the homestead exemption. This exemption reduces the taxable value of a primary residence. In Florida, for the tax year 2025, this exemption can lower the taxable value by up to $50,722. The first $25,000 reduction applies to all property taxes, including school taxes. Other exemptions may be available for seniors, veterans, disabled persons, agricultural land, or specific organizations. For instance, properties owned by charitable organizations, hospitals, religious institutions, and schools may be fully exempt from property taxes. These entities usually must file an annual affidavit to maintain their exempt status. Applying for property tax exemptions typically involves submitting an application to the local tax assessor's office. Property owners must provide documentation to prove eligibility, such as residency or ownership. Some local jurisdictions offer online filing options for added convenience. Once an exemption is granted, the taxable value of the property is lowered. This reduction leads to a decrease in the overall property tax owed. For qualifying homeowners or organizations, this can result in significant savings. In summary, property tax exemptions can provide financial relief by lowering the taxable value of qualifying properties based on ownership or use criteria. Understanding how these exemptions work can help property owners take advantage of potential savings.